I am so curious, dear. I think the evolution of a duck is pretty fascinating, won't you tell, dear?
Yes, I agree. It's so cool indeed. And even there is a life cycle of a duck too.
Whoa! So cool. To learn everything about the life cycle of a duck? That's amazing. Aren't you gonna take a picture?
Yes, certainly.
I almost forgot rule number 3. No force photography!
Ah!
And now, that is how that I could be a security guard. Right, Miss Sally?
Yes, Diesel Dan. You're absolutely right. Good thing you scare them off, because I don't like to have a picture taken because I'm quite camera shy.
I understand. I'm gonna show you the next tour of the museum. Follow me.